Good morning, fourth grade. You did it. It is time to celebrate. You made it. You've made it to the end of chapter 6. This is awesome. All you have to do now is just complete this test and you will be finished for the whole break, at least in math class. All right, so let's go over the directions so you can get started. Looking at the top, you're going to use mental math to solve. So remember, you can cut off the 0, and then you can multiply the two numbers and then add back the 0. All right, that's what you're doing for numbers 1 through 5, and even 6 through 8. All right, and then for 9 through 12, you're going to use the rule of the table to complete the problems. So looking at number 9, for instance, it would be 3 times 40. You would put the answer here beside the 3. This one would be 5 times 40. Put the answer here, and so forth. And you need to make sure that you check out and look very carefully at each rule for each table. All right, so then this next part, you're going to estimate to the greatest place value. Basically, all that is this first number right here, and then you're going to solve. If you do not estimate to the greatest place value, that means you have one digit and the rest would be zeros. It will get marked wrong because we talked about that the whole chapter. So make sure that, like for this one, you would have a digit and then 1 0 after it over here. And then for number 14, you would have your one digit and then the 2 zeros after it. All right, so make sure you are estimating it to the leftmost digit, which is the greatest value digit. All right, and then of course you need to solve the actual problem. Let's look at the next page. So you know what to do with numbers 17 through 28. You're just going to multiply to solve. Be careful with dollar signs. Those must be in your answers, as well as the decimal points and commas. When you do your commas, though, please be careful with those and make them small, but yet they need to be there. I need to be able to see them, but not so big that they're as large as a number, and then I'll think that they're a number 1 or something. All right, so they need to look like a little comma. And then for 29 and 30, you're going to figure out those word problems. And remember that I do need to see your work so that I know how you did it. So if you can do it in your head, I need you to write out what you would write down if you did write it down. So that would be your number equation. And then in your answer, it's either going to be money, which it looks like it is. Yeah, both of them are money, so you don't have to worry about words. All right, just the dollar signs. All right, so this is it. I know you can do it, and just try your best, as always, and you have a great rest of the day. Don't forget to turn this in. All right, we'll see ya. Bye.